Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening to panels, to my fellow friends. Today, I'm Nik Muhammad Syarazi bin Zainuddin. Would like to present you my technical paper, which is development of NCTS Inventor system for monitoring IoT-based knee physiotherapy device. So first, the table of content include introduction, related word, methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, and references. So first, we go to introduction. Remote tracking in the medical industry is now possible in devices with Internet of Things IoT enabled. The ability to remotely track a patient condition will help shorten hospital stays and avoid readmissions. IoT has a positive effect on lowering healthcare rates and improving patient quality. Insurance providers, hospitals, doctors, families, and patients all prosper from IoT technologies in medical or healthcare. Physical therapy for knee pain focuses on the muscles, ligament, and returning strength and normal function. So next, a related word. First, IoT. So basically, Internet of Things promises to make the world a smarter place by encouraging things to connect and other to comprehend them. The roots of the Internet of Things and its network, as well as the data-centric architecture and key possibilities are explored in this article. Utility computing, which work better in the sense of cloud computing, is the way of the future, and a cloud-centric view of IoT is now available. So second is a Bluetooth. A team of Iranian researchers have proposed a user-friendly continuous passive motion (CPM) machine that is lightweight, portable, and customizable. The device can be used to monitor the patient knee movement using Bluetooth connectivity. For interaction between user and the proposed tool, an Android-based application is utilized so that data may be stored and recorded in the patient's smartphone. And the last one is a mobile application. Gay et al. Created a mobile application as a monitoring tool that maintains track of the patient development, reports the current state of the rehabilitation process to the health professional, and given patients rapid feedback. The disadvantage of this platform is that it requires the patient or user to provide an accurate assessment of the pain level based on their feelings. So next, we go to the methodology. First is the flow chart. So this is the flow chart of the flow of work. So data gathering for dynamic hand, split of various design. The material from the preceding research is then evaluated, and problem statement is then created. After creating a problem statement, use Adobe Photoshop 2015 to design the device form. If the gadget is examined to verify that it is in excellent functioning order and it's safe to use. If the testing fails, return to the previous step, retry the procedure, then testing again the device data analysis is the final phase in the process. So next, flowchart of the operating. So first, the flowchart is when the device is start. So the device, the apps will connect to the device. So when the Bluetooth in the device connect to the app, so we can select the menu in the app to connect to the two function for the device. So after that, the apps will save the data, and the device will end. So next, these are the software. So I'm using MIT Apps Inventor to Inventor the application for this device, because this MIT Inventor is easy to use, because it is the block-based tool facilities that creation of complex high-impact apps and significant less time than traditional programming environment, which is simple and everyone can use it to build the apps. So next, we go to the result. Okay. First, the specification of an Android application that was created with the help of the MIT software inventor to operate and track a knee recovery unit by arrange all the buttons to the stimulation and build the block-based coding to give the instruction to every button that have been inserted. The app will monitor the progress of the device's operation and save initial data like the data and time, speed, angle, and count. So next, this is how the we can look here. This is a device. So in this device we have Bluetooth. So these apps will connect to the Bluetooth to operate the all device. Next, this is the result for the software. This is the apps icon, and then this is the first page, second page, third page, and fourth page. So by using the MIT, we can build the multiple pages to get the data from the patient. First, we go to the page one. Page one is only, we can look here is the hospital name and the device logo. So the when the patient or user push the button connect, so they can choose the Bluetooth module. So when the Bluetooth module connected to the device, so patient will go to the page, second page, which is they need to fill the name and IC number to make sure the physiotherapist or doctor know who use this device. So after that, when the button submit a push, they go to the third page, which is the goniometer, which means to check the angle of the sickness. So when the button is when the button start, so the angle will count. So after the angle of sickness appear here, so patient or physiotherapist can choose either end or next. When the push button end push, so it will go to the go back to the page one, and if the next button push, will go to the page 4. Will go to the next page, which is page 4. So in this page 4, the patient will do the therapy according to the goniometer, the angle that is recorded in goniometer. So there is 3 parameters, which is speed, angle, count. So patient will select according to the therapist's requirement to do the therapy. So next, this is example goniometer for 3 we call 3 types of person. So we go to the first is Aziz, Naim, and Mus. So overall, the goniometer will the goniometer recorded the angle for each person, which is Aziz 29 degree, Naim 30 degree, and Mus 33 degree. So after this, we go to the next. So this, for example, to do the therapy. So Aziz will, for example, he can take a fast angle 90 degree and count 10 equal to 10. So the data will save here according to the speed, angle, and count that I have set here. So basically, the angle will choose according to the goniometer they have checked before. So if the range is below 30, so they will do the exercise or therapy with 30 degree. And if it's, the sickness is between 60, so they will do the therapy to 60 degree. So next, application and Internet of Things IoT design of portable lower limb rehabilitation treatment monitoring with Android application is developed for the purpose of helping rehabilitation patients, especially for knee therapy, who find difficulty in control and monitor their progression. Many knee rehabilitation devices are available with the raised running technology, but the cost is very high and none of these have the digital record of progress. Android technology is a key which may provide a new approach of human interaction with machines or tools. This system is to control and monitor the new rehabilitation devices. So these are my references, and that's all from me. Thank you.